Hello folks, my name is Terry Elliott and I'm a product specialist here at Heritage Ford in Corydon, Indiana. Today I'm going to be doing a virtual test drive with this 2015 Ford Taurus Limited. It is bronze fire in color. It's a beautiful color. I love it. This vehicle does have a backup camera and backup sensors. It's a local trade-in here at Heritage. And today we're just going to be talking about how it drives, how it handles. So you get inside here, and you see it has black leather interior seats. This vehicle does have a few options on it. It has heated seats, cold seats, navigation. I'm going to turn this fan down over here. Like I said, 57,362 miles on it. We'll see how it drives. I like the wood grain trim along the inside of it. Brakes are really smooth. This one has a 3.5 V6 engine in it, so it's going to have plenty of get up and go. Ford's been producing that engine for years. It's a great engine. Like I said, it's got pretty good get up. Can't really, this is a pretty rough road here, but you can't feel it too much. You feel a little vibration on the floorboard, but that's pretty common. It's real comfortable. Yeah, brakes are just excellent on this vehicle. Let's see what kind of takeoff it has right here. It's got plenty of power. Plenty. We're going about 55 right now, and it's driving real smooth. Don't feel any crazy vibrations or anything in it. No loud noises. It's what you'd expect out of a 3-year-old vehicle. Turn those cold seats on. Those things are really nice. I don't know if you haven't had them before, I definitely recommend them. The heated seats are good in the winter, but cold seats in the summertime, I don't know, I just think they're 10 times better than the heated seat in the winter. Handles this curve pretty well. The Taurus is a large sedan. Handles the bumps in the road pretty well. You know, you're not feeling it too crazily, so I like that. And I like how smooth it is whenever you're driving at higher speeds. As far as the drive goes, I definitely recommend the Taurus. And I believe it has a lot of good amenities on it. It also has, like I said, the navigation, heated seats, cold seats. It's got a backup camera, backup sensors. It also has Bluetooth on it. If you're looking for an affordable large sedan, this could be the car for you. I'm going to pull in here and do another quick walk around on it, let you all take a look at it. I've drove a lot of cars, been in the car business for years, and if I had to rate the drive of this one, probably a high 8 or a low 9, probably an 8.8 to a 9.1. It's real comfortable also. It's a very clean car. Whoever had it before took very good care of it. I'm also going to show you this back seat real quick. Oh, it's locked. Come around here to the side, I'll unlock it and I'll let you all see the back seat. a lot of room, a lot of cushion in the back seat. But once again, thank you all for joining me. My name is Terry Elliott. I'm a salesman at Heritage Ford. If you have any questions, feel free to contact me. The phone number here is 812-738-3284. Thank you all for joining me today. Have a great day.